Hi everyone, I am so excited to welcome you to a highway design masterclass. This is an introduction to highway design course series. My name is Engineer Ndifreke Okon. In this course, we are going to design 6.27 kilometers of rural roads. It's a dual carriageway of 6 meter width with 3.0 meter width on each carriageway. And this road has 600 by 600 side drain. The course has a total number of 16 module and 20 steps. So it has a total duration of 8 hours 44 minutes. So module 1 start with general introduction and it is 1 hour 6 minutes. So in module 1, we will be working with the survey data. I will show you how to open and set new project interface in Civil 3D. I will also show you how to define your datum and coordinate system. I will show you how to import survey data and create center line for the horizontal alignment. In module 2, which has a total duration of 55 minutes, I will show you how to create existing ground level, existing ground surface. It also contains creating a vertical profile, setting of band to reflect existing ground level, formation road level, design road level, invert drain level, and then drainages. So in module 3, which has a total of 87 minutes 50 seconds, we show you how to create assembly, which comprises of the lane, the shoulder, the trenches. Then I will show you how to create corridor, show you how to create corridor surface from horizontal alignment. Then I will also show you how to create feature lines from horizontal alignment. So module 4 has a total duration of just 10 minutes 44 seconds. In module 4, we show you how to create material volume. We are talking about the earthwork volume. In module 5, which has a total of just 4 minutes 1 second, we show you how to create road cross-sectional. In module 5, which has a total of just 4 minutes and 1 second, we will show you how to generate earthwork volume report. In module 6, which has a total of 24 minutes 21 seconds, I will show you how to create road cross-sectional view. Then module 6 has a total duration of 30 minutes 21 seconds. In module 7, I will show you how to create frames and sheet. Module 8, we will be working on drawing sheet to perform all necessary setting to reflect band level. Then module 8 has a total duration of 27 minutes 52 seconds. Module 9 has a total duration of 28 minutes 43 seconds. In this module, I will show you how to detail horizontal alignment. So in module 10, we will be dealing with detailing of horizontal alignment, which is a continuation of what we did in module 9. So this module has a total of 40 minutes 25 seconds. In module 11, I will be showing you how to detail road features and movement. Module 11 has a total duration of 40 minutes 35 seconds. Module 12 has a total duration of 81 minutes 8 seconds. In module 12, I will show you how to detail temporary benchmark to reflect along the horizontal alignment. In module 13, we will continue with the detailing of temporary benchmark to reflect along the horizontal alignment. So module 13 has a total duration of 27 minutes 45 seconds. Module 14, we will be detailing the adjourning rule. So module 14 has a total duration of 36 minutes 27 seconds. Then module 15 has a total duration of 35 minutes 53 seconds. So we'll continue with the detailing of the adjourning rule. Module 16, which is the final module, has a total duration of 18 minutes 38 seconds. So this has to do with the final arrangement and plotting of our drawing. Then we have bonus in this course. So in the additional bonus that we have in this course is that I will show you how to arrange and import survey data. I will also show you how to set up WGS84 datum and also Mina UTM82 datum. So this course is a complete package and you can't afford to miss it. So thank you very much. See you in the class. Bye.